I don't want to get people in my video, but I'm feeding these birds right now, so I want to get the credit that I'm a very generous, kind person. And these chips are organic. Trader Joe's. They couldn't finish all those. Wow, there's a lot of these little birds. I think they're sparrows. I'm not sure. These little birds. Let's see if I can get any. I saw there was a pigeon around here. I don't know where the pigeon went. These are organic chips. Oh, how happy are they? They're sitting there eating like dirty lawn. Now they're eating organic chips. See, now more of them are starting to come in. Every time I throw more chips, they run away, fly away. This little one is chowing down. It's funny, I could be wrong, but I feel like when you feed them a lot, they sort of like know what you look like, because sometimes like I'll just be sitting somewhere and they'll show up and they'll get like real close, even these little ones. I mean, the pigeons don't care. I mean, the pigeons will jump on top of you. I mean, they don't care less whether they know you or not. But sometimes these little ones, like they'll get up real close and they'll look at me like, oh, come on, you got anything to eat? Could be a coincidence, but I feel like they do get to know you a little bit. I could be wrong. Alright, so they all just grabbed some organic Trader Joe chips and flew away. I wonder if they know that there's more here. Okay, now they're coming back. Okay, let's feed this one. See, like this pigeon, the pigeons get a little scared, but not as much. I just don't want to get people in my video that I don't know. I don't just feed the cute little ones.